अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
अच्छा,
मैं इंग्लिश में कह सकता हूँ?
हाँ कह दो, क्या कहना चाहते हो?
You know, so like with Wakfno, we have classes with you.
हैं?
You know how with Wakfno and we have classes with you, and
You are working on you?
yeah, you know, like the children who aren't Wakfno, can't they have classes with you as well?
Those who are not Wakfino,
Yeah,
they can have classes with me.
yeah.
मैं तो अभी Wakfino की क्लासें ले लूँ तो बड़ी बात है।
Um,
हैं? तुम्हारी क्लास भी तो एक साल बाद हो रही है. You are coming here after 1 year. हैं? No?
yeah.
If I start taking classes of other non-Wakfinos, then how can I manage it? It's difficult. Anyway, Ijtima is the one of the place where all Wakfino others can gather together and then listen to my speech, my address. ठीक है?